What wanna give me opinionated peeps? So people me there right now for tell you a little bit about what go on with Foota hype. Now as you know all know so since when? About December? Yeah, since Foota hype got arrested, right? And we not hear nothing else from Foota hype since them say him go a court and all of them thing there, and then it's like everything about Foota hype just die out. Nobody now talk about Foota hype, nobody now wonder what go on with Foota hype. Well, maybe people I wonder like myself, cause I just yesterday me I say, yo, how come we not hear nothing about Foota hype? And then boom, last night Foota hype called Tony Mataran while him live on Instagram and decides him a go, you know, many people them know what go on with him little bit. But the good thing is Foota hype say him alright, you understand, and him just a go and do him thing until the time for them let him out. Alright, but Foota hype spread a little positive message where everybody need to take a listen to. So here we go on right now.
Yeah, I said the people that have reference on them actions much.
Yeah.
Get up all in time, you pray. Because when can give the problem, and you just have to take them. It's not a pray. You're not a sleep. You're not a one. So when you got a rat now, somebody's bad. Like I said, that's stupid.
Yeah, a real talk. People are do the wrongs them and nobody now repent. And then when God rain down upon people, then we ball. But you don't know he's a merciful God, so you don't know we still have to pray and just stay prayed up and bless up.
Yeah, and prayer without action is no good.
Yeah, because some people pray and say, Father God bless me, and then don't mean nothing.
Exactly. So now is a time where if you have somebody have a problem where not cause life of death and you truly love that person, you have to call them and tell them to love them. Foota, I don't mean to cut you. Somebody say Foota turn Christian, but I'm not Christian. Foota always attack truth and rights, and so we stay. A fact. This is a time where you just tell people, say, I rate you, I'm going to reach out to them. Imagine this is far from a Christian because everybody knows that you know use Jesus, you use the Creator.
Yeah.
Fact. You can't hurt God and you can't love God. And we've been hurting God. We've been a hurt God. We have to speak to what I tell them what somebody wrong, but be that preaching.
Real time.
90% of the women them are existing in the world asleep with girls. 65% of the man them are cheap on them woman with the next man. And the thing is that they're going to laugh to them something. So we are okay.
And then feel say nobody not see.
And then think nobody not see but God see. You have some man where he want to get rich, and in order to get rich, he feel like he have to take Mataran, and kill Mataran innocent. Then he get rich, and he buy a whole person to get money, and debt.
And then him just drop out back. Him drop out back off him, they are going to come in now.
No, and the people when you spread the dirty money with other drop out.
Yeah.
So when you see them thing, you come up and a joke thing, it's not a play thing, and you say, I get up only when you feel pain and praise God.
I show that.
You know what then because I feel no. You understand?
Yeah.
So
Joe the Pell pan the line to you know.
Joe the Pell, because everybody will love the viral thing and team members say that a man mother went and bear.
And exactly where Foota say me agree with him. God never give a man more than what he can bear. Me agree with that statement the way Foota hype me. Because despite all of the things we are going right now, you understand, God now gonna make we get more than what we can angle as human beings. You understand? Yes, it's rough. Yes, a whole lot of people pass away. Yes, a whole lot of people are go through it right now and face it. But remember, God never give a man more than what he can bear. You understand? So big up to Foota. Foota hype say, yo, people need to reach out and tell them loved ones at this time how much they mean to them. Tell them, say them love them. You understand? Because this is the time where, you know, you really need to make your loved ones know. Because you never know when maybe the last minute or the last hour you will have with that person. Right? So watch on the people. Big up on yourself. Talk to me down in the comment section about what Foota hype say. Because you don't know, your opinion matters.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.